4 things that poor people do that the rich don't. Number 1, poor people watch too much TV. Rich people, we read books. Write it down. 2, poor people get paid for time. Rich people, we get paid for value. Which means this, based off the value I give to the marketplace, I make more money. You can be the best waiter on the planet, but as long as you get paid for time, you will never get rich. Number 3, poor people think they know everything. They know how to market, they know what to read, they know everything, but yet your bank account is not full of money. Rich people, hey, we're willing to learn every single day of my, like me, I learn every day. Number 4, poor people, they just never take action consistently. They can watch videos like this, they can be inspired, they can buy a program, they can buy a system. They don't do anything with it. And if they do it for about 2 days. That's poor people. Rich people, we take massive action. Just do it! I love you guys so much. This is Wesley. $1 billion version.